It's on 13th May 2026. As you can see, my Binance balance has 11,575 USDT 0.85. And today, guys, I'm going to show you how to make money trading arbitrage on Binance and Trexbit.com. So without wasting time, and those who haven't watched my videos, please go on my TikTok channel and watch all other videos that I've been posting since. So without wasting time, let's embark on this journey right now. Remember, guys, this video is for educational purpose only, unless you do exactly what I am doing. So let's do it. The first step, guys, you need to have fun. You have USDT on your Binance account. As you can see, I have mine here, 11,575. And then the next step, guys, you need to have a Trexbit account. You just now go to Google and then you search Trexbit, okay, and you'll see the first one here. This is the trexbit.com that we are going to use. So let's do this right now. Since I have already my Trexbit app, what the next step I'm going to do, guys, you can see on my Trexbit I have 224 USD. So because I want to show you how to trade on Trexbit, I'm going to trade it manually, okay? So how do we make profit trading arbitrage, buying on Binance and then selling low on the other exchange? Let me show you. The first step, guys, you need to deposit on your Trexbit account, okay? So how do I deposit? You just go to click on deposit and then you choose on funding wallet and amount. I'll put because I have 200, I'll put 300 USDT, and then I'll click get my deposit address, and then I'll copy my address like that. Then, guys, I'm going back to my Binance and then I'll click on send withdraw crypto USDT, and then I'll press that address here, and then network TRX amount I'll put 302, okay, 301.1.2.3, yes, because I want the 300 to be sent after fees, okay? And then, guys, I'll withdraw amount and then confirm. So now I'm going to put my passkey and then approve the withdrawal back to my Trexbit account. Remember to always hide your passkeys for security reasons, guys. So the withdrawal has been now sent, and then I'll go back here and click I have paid. So now it's on the blockchain and it's being checked, okay? So now, guys, at this step you need to be patient as the deposit is being detected automatically in the blockchain. Just be patient. So let's give it like 3 to 2 minutes, or just wait for it to be detected. I want to trade with 524 USDT, and then I'll show you how much it will turn to be in profits, since I already have like how much, 224 in my Trexbit account, okay? So I'm still waiting for it to be detected automatically. Just be patient. Always, guys, remember to follow the steps that I'm showing you. As you can see, the withdrawal is processing still on my Binance. So once it stops processing, I will show it will be gone to my other Trexbit account for trading. And also, guys, remember, after trading I will also show you how to withdraw back to your Binance your earnings or your capital immediately. So just be patient with me as I show you this step by step. Still processing and still not detected here. So let's give it a few seconds more. I think like 1 minute more to go, okay? And on Trexbit account, guys, you can also trade using AI bots. You can also trade on futures. As you can see, the deposit has been credited automatically. and here it is, 13th of May 2026. And now my balance is how much? 524. Okay, so now I'm going to trade with 524. I'll go to crypto to P2P trading, and then today guys we are going to sell. Okay, and we are going to sell USDT. All right, and I want to find someone with an offer at least 1.2 and above. 1.3, yes, I'm going to trade with Zara Okwonko at 1.3. So I'll click on sell to Zara. I'll put all amount I have, 524, and then I'll click proceed. As you can see guys, it's telling that insufficient balance. Let's see, please deposit 0.4 more. So I need to put 523 and then proceed. And then here guys, okay, I'll put on settle, and on settle here I'll put the payment method, which is TRC20. And then guys, there's an option here. You can choose your TrexBig wallet, spot wallet, or you can choose your external address. On external address, you'll have to provide them with your Binance address so that they can pay you, but the fee will be 4.2%, which is almost all your profit. So it's better you choose on your spot wallet, and then which is a 2% fee. Okay, and then confirm. Okay, and guys, now you can see it's now creating the trade, and you can see I'm selling 523 USDT, a return of 558 USDT, guys, you can see. So the next step now, I need to chat with the vendor and tell the vendor, hi, please release the trade. Okay, so now I'm waiting for the vendor to answer me. Okay, just be patient guys, always for the vendor to release the trade. So I'm waiting for the vendor to reply me. Zara Okongo, you can see the vendor is online. I'm very sure it will be processed. So guys, because I have to wait for the vendor to come and release the trade for me, I will have to pause this video. But before I pause, I want to show you that you can also trade on TrexBig using trading bots. There's an AI bots and popular bots like Pionix AI Grid bot, 3 DCA bot, Cryptographer Trend, BitsGap Future Grid, Mudrex Momentum, Wonderbit Grid, Shrimpy DCA Pro, Gunbot Arbitrage, Oxswap Bot, KuCoin Smart Rebalance, and more. Those are free bots. The rest, which are written pro, you must upgrade your account to pro. Okay, so guys, I'll go back to P2P. I'll go back to financial history, and I'll click on P2P to check the trade, how far it is. The vendor hasn't replied yet, but I hope they will pay. So you can see here it's saying that secure approve in the next 3 minutes. So let's pause this video here as we wait for the vendor to pay. And so guys, you can see it's now 50 seconds to go. Let's now wait for it to be approved, usually in a few. So let's wait for it guys, in a few. 36 seconds to go. Just be patient guys. I don't know why the vendor today doesn't want to chat with me. Hi. So let's wait and see. There, now it should be done. Yes, so now guys, it's done. You can see funds are ready, frozen, pending release. So at this step guys, you need, before you click this release button, this one, you need to go back and check your balance again. You can see I chose my spot wallet and now I have 647, so which confirming that that vendor has released on their end. So the next step, guys, you need to go back to the trade financial history P2P, and you click on that trade, and then you click on release trade and unlock funds, because you can't withdraw without releasing. And if you didn't see it receive the money, you just dispute the trade and then click done, guys. So now I have 647. The next step is to withdraw 600 back to my Binance, because I had some 200 before. So let's assume I made a profit of I did of 147, and I did deposit 300. So I'm going to withdraw 447 and remain with another 200 to trade with it again. So I'll go back to withdrawal, which is crypto wallet, click withdraw. Amount I'll put 347. Okay, so you can see it's saying insufficient balance on spot. On funding, I'll choose on spot and then put 347, and you need to make sure you have enough TRX. And then, guys, I'll click continue to address, and then I'll go back to my Binance account, click add funds, deposit crypto, USDT, and then network TRX. Okay, and then I'll copy my address and then paste it here, and I'll also repaste it here, and then click review. So now, guys, I need to put the verification code they have sent to my email. So I'll copy the verification code, and then I will paste it back on my TrexBeak account, and then I'll confirm the withdrawal. And the withdrawal is automatic, guys. It should take just a few seconds to be credited. Okay, you can see it's now on the blockchain. The withdrawal is successful on the blockchain, and it's now confirming in a few seconds. Just 1 minute to go. You can see, guys, I think I did a withdraw. Oh, instead of withdrawing 447, I did withdraw 347, but it's okay, guys. I can still withdraw back the money. Okay, but I still have the profit anyway. I still have another 100 extra in my account on TrexBeak, which I can withdraw later when I want. So it's now processing. It's processing, guys. It's processing, and you can see, guys, these are my recent withdrawals here. I think the withdrawal is done. You see, these are my recent withdrawals here. Every day I do a withdrawal, and also you can see now I have a balance of 299 and 300. So I still have a profit of 100 USD, which I can trade with and make more money. Okay, so, guys, that's how it works. And thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share, and also remember to follow me on my TikTok, where I teach people for free on how to trade. And also join my Telegram channel. The link is here. Once you click this link, it will take you to my channel, where I have for 3,000 subscribers, students that I teach for free. And also, guys, here on my Telegram, there's a YouTube link. You can click here, you go to my YouTube and watch all the videos I have. I have also over 466 subscribers on my YouTube channel, where I teach people for free on how to trade. So, guys, thank you so much, and may the God bless you so much for watching this video, and I wish you have the lovely week ahead and success. Cheers.